Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm at the Rocklands Bird Sanctuary in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And here we have the birds coming. So this is what? Sugar and water? Yeah. So you know they've got enough energy so they need it. How long have Rocklands Bird Sanctuary been around?
Maybe your mom can tell you.
Yeah? Okay. How long has Rockland Bird Sanctuary been around, Mother? But as a child, I grew up and it was here. Oh, hello. So you're not getting it now?
It started in 1952,
1952.
opened to the public 1958.
Oh, wow.
So it was Lisa Salmon, she's the one who started it.
Mm-hmm.
She's a white Jamaican.
Yeah.
She was born in Kingston, Jamaica. And then she all moved here.
Was that her family from Canada?
Jamaican.
They were Jamaican, but what was where was the origin of her family?
It was like, they were Jewish.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So they were Jewish settlers here in Jamaica.
Mm.
Okay. Yes, guys, I'm coming to you from the Rocklands Bird Sanctuary in Jamaica. Look at the view over there. Look at the view over there. Look at the view.
This one, Jamaican mango hummingbird. That's the biggest one in Jamaica.
Good experience. Good experience coming here. It's a good experience. Guys, you have a special way to hold the bottle. Yeah? So when they come, they just go to the top of it and yeah. So guys, remember guys to like and share. Birds. This is a good experience. It's very good experience. Please remember to like and share and subscribe to Yellow Brick Road TV.